What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix screen brightness problems on Windows 11. Having the correct brightness levels on your laptop or PC monitor is crucial, not only for comfortable viewing experience, but also to avoid strain on your eyes. The first thing you should do is ensure that your system is up to date. Running the latest version of Windows 11 is essential, because updates often include important fixes and improvements that can resolve common issues, including problems with brightness controls. To check for updates, head over to your settings, then navigate to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. Similarly, it's also crucial to make sure that your graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can cause issues with brightness adjustments. Search for Device Manager in your Start menu search. Once open, navigate to Display Adapters. Find your monitor's display adapter, right-click on it and choose Update Driver. On the pop-up window, select Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will automatically install any latest driver updates for your monitor's display adapter. Once your system and drivers are up to date, try adjusting your screen brightness using the function keys on your keyboard. Most laptops have dedicated brightness keys, typically marked with a sun icon, which allows you to increase or decrease the brightness easily. If this method doesn't work, don't worry, there are other ways to adjust the brightness. Another method is using the Action Center, a quick access menu where you can adjust various settings on your PC. To open the Action Center, press the Windows key and A on your keyboard. This will bring up a panel on the right side of the screen, where you'll see a slider next to the brightness icon. Use this slider to modify your screen brightness to your liking. This is often the quickest and easiest way to adjust brightness without digging through multiple menus. If you prefer adjusting brightness through the Settings menu, you can do that as well. Use the Windows key and I to open the Settings app, and then navigate to System and select Display. Inside the Display settings, you will find another brightness slider under the Brightness and Color section. Simply move the slider to adjust the screen's brightness level. However, if your brightness controls are still not responding, it might be due to auto brightness settings. Windows 11 includes features that automatically adjust your screen brightness based on the surrounding lighting conditions to help save battery life. While this can be useful, it sometimes interferes with manual brightness adjustments. To disable auto brightness, uncheck the box under the brightness slider that reads Change brightness automatically when lighting changes, and help improve battery by optimizing the content shown and brightness. Disabling these options will give you full manual control over your screen brightness. If, after trying all these steps, you're still unable to adjust the brightness, there could be an issue with your display adapter driver. One effective solution is to switch to Microsoft Basic Display Adapter driver. This driver is a simple, default display driver that comes pre-installed with Windows and can help resolve issues caused by faulty or incompatible drivers. To switch to this driver, open the Windows search bar, search for Device Manager and select it from the search results. In your Device Manager, find and expand the Display Adapter section. Right-click on your current display adapter and choose Update Driver. Then, select Browse my computer for drivers, followed by Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From the list, select Microsoft Basic Display Adapter and click Next. After switching to this driver, try adjusting your screen brightness again to see if the issue is resolved. Finally, if none of these solutions work, it's possible that there are missing or corrupted system files causing the issue. Windows 11 includes a built-in tool that can automatically detect and repair these files. To use this tool, search for CMD in your Start menu search and run it as an administrator. In your command prompt window, use the command sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will scan your system for any missing or corrupted files and automatically fixes them. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer and try adjusting the brightness again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.